We're going to Alaska! 5,000 miles, 16 US states, 2 Canadian provinces, and 11 national parks. That's what it's taken to get us here. The start of the Alaska Highway. For a lot of travelers, Alaska is a bucket list destination. For us, it's the whole reason we started on this wild cross-country road trip in the first place. Alaska's our goal, but the real adventure is just getting there. Welcome to the Alaska Highway. (1,382 miles or 2,224 kilometers. That's how long it takes to drive from Dawson Creek, British Columbia to Delta Junction, Alaska. The full length of this historic highway. This is not your average road trip. And this is where it all begins. Dawson Creek, British Columbia.
There's a couple other ones I saw earlier. I don't see them now though.
Of course not. Hey, Lake Louise, we were just there.
Lake Louise!
You excited?
Yes. Ready to go.
Are you? Really?
Yes. Yes. I have cinnamon rolls and I'm going to Alaska. Life is good.
We're going to Alaska!
DJ's ready to get back to America. He says beer's too expensive in Canada.
My goodness, it's expensive here. Ah! Eggs down.
His first casualty of the Alaska Highway. It's an empty carton of eggs. We were trying to find a place to recycle. Here.
Life
I'm gonna
happens.
go take some pictures of some dandelions. And then we can go to Alaska.
I don't know. I just don't get it sometimes. What do you think she would do if I just left? Start pulling away.
I think the next stop is Fort St. John. I cannot find the milepost still, but this is Bell's Travel Guides, the Alaska Highway. It was free, so we checked it out, grabbed it, and it's actually got tons of really cool information. Hey, bear number 2. So, what, probably 15, 20 minutes. Haven't seen another car. Haven't seen a building. Haven't seen anything. It's kind of awesome. It's also kind of creepy.
This time we've got one and he is right next to the road.
Whoa, stone sheep! They do look like they do. What did we see? Stone sheep. Which makes sense because we are now coming all around these massive cliffs. And if you've never seen stone sheep, they look exactly, well, not exactly, they look a lot like bighorn.
We just pulled up to Summit Lake, and we were discussing on the way up, like, oh, you know, what could we do? There's a hike across the street, and I was like, oh, and there's a lake, we can go paddling. Yet again, we're a little early in the season, and as you can see behind me, the lake is still frozen. Kate and I just had a first banana encounter that we had never had before.
We spotted some movement on the side of the road, and it turned out to be a porcupine. Hi! Hi! Oh my goodness, you're so cute! Please don't spike me.
of a sudden there's a giant animal in the middle of the road.
Oh, porcupine, go!
As I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by the third porcupine in the road today. It's 8:30 at night.
If it looks like we're completely exhausted, it's because we behind your bar.
Day 1. Hundreds of woodland bison, 19 bears, 12 stone sheep, 6 porcupines, and 2 very full hearts. Thanks for sharing in the adventure. We can't wait to show you what happens next.